Here's where you can see the quote details. The first section right here is the deposit. You will see it being green if the deposit has already been paid. If not, it will appear in black text. Over here, this is going to tell you whether or not the order for service has been signed by your customer. If there is no checkbox in it, then it has not. Down here, you're going to see your moving charge, or it will be a line haul charge for long distance moves. This is going to be the range right here for your moving charge. You're going to see your fuel surcharge. You can click to edit that. You're going to either have the amount calculated from the company settings. You can do a specific percentage of the moving charge, or you can do a flat right here if you wanted to override that. Over here, you're going to have your valuation, and you're going to have your standard 60 cents per pound. If you do offer full value protection, then you can select that and customize the amount of liability. And if you were to offer a third option, it would appear right here as well. So that's where you can select your valuation. Over here, you're going to see storage, and it's going to just give you the option to display the rate to the customer and include that calculated storage amount in the quote if you're adding storage. Over here, this is where you can add materials. So you can add your packing materials right here. You can select those. You can add a packing, and then you can also add them as unpacking if you want to as well, and save that. Over here, you can add additional services. This is where you can click to add any of your additional services that you've already added. If you have a price set up automatically from the settings, it will populate. Additional fees, these populate automatically based on your settings. These are things like long haul carry charges for long distance moves, additional stop fees, and equipment fees if you have those set up. Over here is where you can see and set a discount for your moving charge if you want to, or a dollar amount or a percentage discount. Here are your taxes. So if you click, you'll see a breakdown of your taxes if you have taxes set up in the settings. Over here, you'll see your grand total. Here is where you can click to take a payment. If you are taking a payment for a deposit, you're going to want to use the deposit charge button. If you're adding a custom payment over here, just to take it off the total balance, you can do that here. If you're using authorize.net to process payments, you'll be able to add a credit card right here by using add online payment. And here's where you can add a new card on file. If you needed to issue a refund, you can highlight the given row in the list of payments and then click on refund. Marking this payment as pending will still have the payment being collected, but it will not be shown to your customer. Down here, you'll have the balance, which is going to be your grand total minus your payment. And here is going to show you whether or not you have your auto calculator on, meaning that all of these settings are coming from the actual setup you have here to calculate those charges.